Does yarn have instructions? Hi everyone, and welcome to a really bad tutorial that no one asked for. In all seriousness, if you clicked on this video, you like sweater vests, trying to figure out if you like sweater vests, like myself, or you're just bored. But, you know, thanks for coming along on this journey.
Hey, this is editing Oleta, and you know, something really terrible happened. So, this was sort of supposed to be a tutorial before, but now it's not. I lost a bunch of footage. So really, instead of like scratching this whole video, because I did put a lot of effort into making this sweater vest, it took me almost like 24 hours to make. And yeah, so instead I'm just gonna show some other clips of, you know, my thoughts and tips and tricks, and just, if you just want to see me wear it, then you can like skip all the way to the end. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you just want to skip to end, I totally understand. I fail a lot in this video, so what fail clips I have, I'm just going to include those as well. Anyway, thanks!
Let's get right into making my sweater vest.
Hello, if you're still here, welcome to the fails of Oleta. Pretty sure what was really setting the tone for this whole thing was the fact that I had to undo this yarn for like 2 hours for the first night. And in total, I'm pretty sure I've done it for 5 hours. Alright, so we're going to get into the tips. Number 1 is have a plan. So I did do a rough sketch, but I would say I would also do a better one next time and organize myself. I spent too much time referring back and forth, and I should have had my own plan and figured out, wrote down all the rows and whatnot. So I spent too much time changing colors to the right one because I was not really ready. I just got right into it. And then number 2, I would measure myself. So I didn't measure it right off the bat, but I think my hugest issue was that I used a different gauge of yarn than she did. So mine turned out really big. I would say it's about 4 inches longer than hers, really, so quite oversized. So those are my tips. Honestly, just have fun with it and enjoy the process. Nowadays, especially me, I don't know about anyone else, I'm not going to speak for anyone else, I just have this thing where like I need things to be like instant gratification, and I catch myself so many times. But really, we should just enjoy the process. Or I'm speaking to myself, really. Enjoy the process of everything, and you know, like, that's what life's about.
Alright, so that was the crochet vest, everybody. If you had made it this far in the video, thank you so much. Here's a gold star. I don't think I've had one probably since elementary, but anyway, here's to you. If you enjoyed the video, like, and if you want to join the journey, subscribe. Until next time, I think I'm going to try to do a video where I make outfits with this, so we'll see how that goes. Maybe that's the next one I'll catch you at, but yeah, have a good one.